Hi there! In this lesson, we're going to be going over how to make mixed numbers using this specific calculator. We're going to go over the really important button that you're going to need to know in order to make mixed numbers, and then we're going to have 6 examples. It sounds like it's a lot, but I promise you it's not. I'll go over the first 3 nice and slow, you'll do the next 3 coming up on the math review. Now when you first look at this calculator here, it can be really scary. There's lots of buttons with lots of words and lots of letters, and it's hard to know what's what. So in order to make it really simple, I promise you we're only going to have to worry about this specific button right here. And if we zoom in on that button, it looks like this: A, B, C. Now that has a specific meaning. Because it says A, then B, then C, you can tell it kind of looks like a mixed number. A is the whole number in the mixed number, and then this B over C is the fraction part of the mixed number. So this is going to be the button that we need in order to successfully create mixed numbers. So let's go over our first example, 5 and 1 over 6. Since 5 is our whole number, the first thing we'll do is we'll press 5. After that, because it's a mixed number, we'll then press the ABC button. After we press the ABC button, we'll enter our numerator, which is the number 1. Since we still have a fraction, we're going to hit the ABC button again. And then finally, we're going to enter our denominator, which is 6. So let's break this down. In the last video, we only hit the ABC button one time. That would make a fraction. But when you hit the ABC button twice, then on the first time you hit it, it separates the whole number and the fraction. And the second time you hit it, it separates the numerator from the denominator. Let's do that in the calculator. So we're going to enter 5, then hit ABC. That'll give us our first bracket. And then 1, and then ABC again. That's going to give us our second bracket. And then we'll hit the denominator, which is 6. And then we'll hit enter. Now don't be freaked out by this notation. All this means is that we have 5 whole units and 1/6 of a unit, which just means 5 and 1/6. So here we have 2 and 4 over 12. We're going to follow the same exact process. We'll enter our whole number first, then we'll hit our ABC button, then we'll enter our numerator, which is 4, then we'll hit our ABC button again, and then we'll enter our denominator, which is 12. Let's put that in the calculator. 2, that's our whole number, ABC, the numerator 4, then ABC again, and then our denominator 12. Then hit enter, and that's going to give us 2 and 1/3. 2 is our whole number, and 1/3 is our fraction. Well, what happened? I thought we entered 4 over 12. Well, we did, but what happens is the calculator is really great because it simplifies for you. This 4 over 12, if I divide 4 by 4, I get 1. And if I divide 12 by 4, I get 3. So this 4 over 12 reduces to 1/3, giving us our mixed number 2 and 1/3. Let's try the third example. So here we have 9 and 7 over 10. 9 is our whole number, so we'll enter that first. Then we'll hit our ABC button. Then we'll enter our numerator, which is 7. And to separate our numerator from our denominator, we'll hit the ABC button again, and then our denominator, which is 10. Now let's put that in the calculator. We'll enter 9, which is our whole number, then ABC, then our numerator, which is 7, then ABC again, and then our denominator, which is 10. We'll hit enter, and that'll give us this: 9 whole units and 7/10 of a unit, or 9 and 7 over 10. So here are the examples you should try on your own. Pause the video and give it a go. Good luck! Okay, so for these three examples, what buttons did you press? Well, our whole number is 7, so we'll enter 7. Then we'll hit ABC, then 1, because that's our numerator, ABC again, and then 3, because that's our denominator. So let's show that in the calculator. 7, ABC 1, ABC 3. And that equals 7 and 1 over 3. Or 7 whole units and 1/3 of a unit. So for the next example, we've got 10 and 3 over 4. The first thing you're going to enter is the number 10, since that's our whole number. Then we'll hit ABC, then the numerator 3, then ABC again, and then our denominator 4. So let's do that in the calculator. 10, ABC, that'll give us our first bracket, then 3, then ABC again, that'll give us our second bracket, and then 4. To break this down again, before the first bracket is the whole number, and then you got your numerator, and then you got your denominator last. When you hit enter, 10 whole units and 3/4 of a unit, or 10 and 3 over 4. And here's our last question, 9 and 31 over 34. You don't have to get freaked out because you've got bigger numbers in your fraction. It's the same exact process. First we'll enter 9, then we'll hit the ABC button, then we'll hit 31 because that's our numerator, then ABC again, and then 34 because that's our denominator. And in the calculator it will look like this. Let's clear this. Then we'll enter 9, then ABC, that'll give us our first bracket, then 31, then ABC again, that'll give us our second bracket, and that's going to separate our numerator from our denominator, which we're going to enter now, which is 34. Hit enter, and it shows it just like this. 9 whole units and 31/34 of a unit, or 9 and 31 over 34.